not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. If anybody needs the PDF link of yesterday's video, do download it mentioned in the description box. Now let's start. Who is the Congress leader who gets life term in anti-Sikh riots case? Sajjan Kumar, Balwan Kolkar, Lal Bagmal or Yadav Kokar? The answer is A. Sajjan Kumar. Now he gets life imprisonment in anti-Sikh riots case. Earlier we have discussed each and every point regarding 1984 anti-Sikh riots case. Very important topic. Each and every day new developments have been taking place. So expected question from this area. Sajjan Kumar convicted for the murder of 5 people in Rajnagar in Delhi during 1984 anti-Sikh riots, which was followed by assassination of Indira Gandhi. Which of the following court bans the online sale of drugs? Hyderabad High Court, Madras High Court, Kolkata High Court or Delhi High Court? The answer is B. Madras High Court. Now, Madras High Court bans the online sale of medicines until the new rules are framed under Cosmetics Amendment Rules 2018, which is intended for permitting the sale of drugs through e-pharmacies. Now, earlier, according to Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940, no proper provisions exist for the registration of any of the online pharmacies. Now, when new rules are framed under this act, it mandates all the e-pharmacies that these new holders to be registered with the Drugs Controller General of India. India declared a financial package of $1.4 billion for which of the following country? Sri Lanka, Maldives, Bhutan, Nepal. The answer is B. Maldives. Now, India declares a package of $1.4 billion for the country Maldives. President of Maldives, Ibrahim Soli, is in India. Earlier, he took his office on 17th of November 2018 and Narendra Modi also attended his swearing-in ceremony. Now, the package comes as Maldives is facing a debt of almost $3.2 billion with the China. What is the main aim of Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana? Providing LEDs at subsidized prices, providing free LPG connections to all the poor households, empowering women, or prevention of human trafficking? The answer is B. Providing free LPG connections to all the poor households. Now, very important, the government schemes from exam point of view, remember expected questions from this area. Now, this scheme targeted the poor and underprivileged listed in the socio-economic and caste census of 2011. The main aim of this scheme is to provide LPG connections to almost 8 crore households. Now, the target reached by the Government of India by the end of 2018 is 6 crore connections. What are the laws that are promulgated by the President of India on the recommendation of Union Cabinet? Bills, acts, ordinances or notices? The answer is C. Ordinances. Now, ordinances are the laws that are promulgated by the President of India on the recommendation of Union Cabinet. Remember, all these terms very important. Each and every term has a different meaning. Now, these ordinances cease to operate either if the Parliament does not approve them within 6 months of reassembly or if disapproving resolutions are passed by both the houses of the Parliament. Now, new Triple Talaq Bill has been introduced in the Lok Sabha to replace an ordinance which was issued earlier in September month. Now, what is a bill? Any new legislation introduced in Parliament for its enforcement as a law which is yet to be passed by both the houses. Now, act is any law passed by the Parliament and has also received the assent of the President and which is currently in force. Who is the current President of United Nations General Assembly? Maria Fernanda Espinosa, Ricardo Patino, Rosana Alvarado, Rafael Correa? The answer is A. Maria Fernanda Espinosa. She is the only fourth woman president of United Nations General Assembly in the 73 years. Now, Maria Fernanda is the former foreign minister of the Ecuador. Remember, the first women president of United Nations General Assembly is the Vijayalakshmi Pandit in the year 1953. Very important, previously asked many times. Now, she is an Indian diplomat and a politician. She is also the sister of Jawaharlal Nehru. Many people don't know this point, do you remember? And she served as the governor of Maharashtra from 1962 to 1964. Which country would become the fourth country to land on moon successfully? Israel, USA, Russia or China? The answer is A. Israel. The country Israel would become the fourth country to land on the moon. Earlier, USA, Russia and China had successfully landed on moon. Space IL mission is a lunar mission which could make Israel the fourth country to achieve a soft moon landing. You can see the picture. This is an expected picture of the lunar lander on the moon of the Space IL lunar mission. The launching vehicle would be SpaceX Falcon 9 and the spacecraft is named as Bereshit, which is a Hebrew word as Genesis. Now the weight of this spacecraft would be 585 kg. Now, a time capsule of 3 digital discs along with pictures of Israeli symbols, flags, Israeli songs and the Holocaust account will be placed inside the Space IL lunar mission, and all these things will be sent to the moon. The Merriam-Webster has chosen which of the following as the word of the year 2018? Disaster, justice, truth or gold? The answer is B. Justice. Now, justice is the word of the year 2018 chosen by the Merriam-Webster. Now, disaster is the word of the year chosen by the country Japan. Earlier we have discussed it already. Now, toxic is the word picked by the Oxford Dictionary and misinformation is the word picked by the dictionary.com. Remember all these words of the year, very important. Who is the only woman Chief Minister of India currently serving? Vasundhara Raje, Mamata Banerjee, Anandiben Patel, Mehbooba Mufti? The answer is B. Mamata Banerjee is the only Chief Minister of India currently serving as the Chief Minister of West Bengal. Earlier Chief Minister of Rajasthan Vasundhara Raje and Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir Mehbooba Mufti were serving, but they resigned recently. So now Mamata Banerjee is the only woman Chief Minister left. Now she is the first woman Chief Minister of West Bengal who holds office since 2011. She founded All India Trinamool Congress. Let's see the question for the day. Who is the longest serving woman Chief Minister of India? Mamata Banerjee, Vasundhara Raje, Uma Bharti or Sheila Dikshit? Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for yesterday's question. Who is crowned as a Miss Universe 2018? The answer for this question is Catriona Elisa Gray. Now, rightly answered by many people in the comment section yesterday. Now, few people answered as the answer Vanessa Pons. Now, many of you lose marks in the main exams not because you don't know the answers for it, but because you don't read the entire question properly. Vanessa Pons is crowned as a Miss World 2018 and Catriona Elisa Gray is crowned as Miss Universe 2018. Now, she belongs to the country of Philippines and Vanessa Pons belongs to country of Mexico. Remember, don't make silly mistakes in the main exams. The quote for the day is push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. So this is it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.